It sounds like a bit of a wild emotional roller coaster. Like even though they're just there going like this, what's happening on the inside is this big up and down journey.
Maybe it's more little ups and downs. But when they walk away afterwards, how are they feeling about themselves? And what are they doing next? What muscle have they built to handle what's going to come next?
Yeah.
Are they being drawn to some other way to block their feelings? And if so, is it a healthy way? Do they get off that and go and do their homework and put some effort in, right? Or are they getting off that and then not feeling good, so then they're having to do something else online, like watch a whole series and lose a whole lot of time? Because we do see that one of the links between social media use and anxiety is just playing through procrastination.